Hello, my name is Danny Brown from MarineMax in Palm Beach Gardens. We're here today looking at a new arrival. It's a 2025 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard. As you're going to see, we have on this one, we have the quantum blue hull with a white boot stripe, really sharp looking boat. Come inside, let's take a closer look. So starting on the swim platform here, as you can see, this one is equipped with Mercury 350 horsepower V10s, new engines, tons of torque, big propellers on this, so this will get the boat, the whole shot on this will be incredible. Very easy to check and maintain as well. There's a little catch here that pops open. You can check your oil, your dipstick is here, and you can also top up with oil. Also have tons of storage back here, so your battery switches are here, your shore power, and then plenty of storage here for lines and fenders. So we're in the cockpit now. As you can see, plenty of space here. This is a 10-foot 7-inch beam, so really nice spacious cockpit. Port side we have wraparound seating. It's also optioned with this beautiful teak table. On the starboard side you can see we have a wet bar. You have a freshwater sink here. This is an electric grill and a refrigerator. You also have a little garbage spot here. This floor we're looking at here is a woven vinyl. It sits over the non-skid, but it's really nice on the feet, very easy to clean. Cushions here is a stone interior, so a nice light gray, real modern look with a two-tone gray. This area is also air conditioned. You have a vent here and controls. And as you can see, we have this electric shade that's all the way open now, covers this whole area and goes all the way out to the transom. With a touch of the button, it electrically retracts. Also, this seat facing forward, you can seat 2 people here when you're running, but when you're on anchor, you can flip this over, really opens up the cockpit area. This boat, the way it's set up is called an open coupe, which means you have full glass on the front and then open sides. So this one you can zip in isinglass here, which is stored in the cabin if you want this area enclosed. Stepping forward into the bow. So port side walkthrough. This is a sliding glass door. So this is really nice. A lot of customer feedback saying they wanted easy access to the bow. This gives you a lounger for 3 people with armrests. You have a stereo control, cup holders, real nice area, and also makes it very easy when you're anchoring. You have your windlass anchor here. This one has a stainless steel anchor, so you can control it from here or you can control it from the helm. So sitting here at the helm, as you can see, very comfortable helm area. These have flip up bolsters that are in the up position now, but these will flip down. So plenty of space for the captain and a spare seat as well. So here, as you can see, my hand falls straight onto the throttles. You have joystick control here. So when you're coming into dock, very easy maneuverability with this joystick. Seeing as those engines are so far apart, they're all on independent, each one is independently steered. So it's very easy to maneuver in and out of the dock. You also have auto heading, so you can easily just press one button and it will hold your heading if you don't going down the intracoastal. And a skyhook feature as well. So for instance, if you're waiting for a bridge, you don't have to sit there and go back and forth on the controls. You just hit the button, it will hold your position and your heading. Looking here, we have 2 12-inch Simrad screens, which is going to be your chart plotter, fish finder, and all your engine information. At the moment here, we're looking at a chart plotter. We're here in Palm Beach Gardens in the marina, so you can see very easily zoom in and out, and then all your engine information is here. It shows your trim tab position, your engine trim position. Talking about engine trim position, now these are coming with automatic active trim. So you have you can select 1 through 5. Generally, you're going to be running on 3. What that does is it automatically trims the engines for you. When it feels you go into gear, it's going to tuck those engines in, let you get up on plane, and automatically trim them up to make you as fuel efficient as possible. That coupled with the dynamic running surface from Lenco, these are huge trim tabs at the back of the boat, and they automatically will level the boat out if it's not sitting level, and also get the help you get up on plane. It will deploy the tabs when you're coming up, and then it will retract them. But makes things very easy. You don't have to think about your tabs, you don't have to think about your engine trim, you can just concentrate on what's in front of you. Also, you have various buttons here. You can control the windlass from here or from the bow. You have all your lights, courtesy lights here, anchor lights. You have your stereo controls, cup holders, so everything really easily accessible. You have a spotlight control over here as well. Let's take a look inside the cabin. Now we're inside the cabin. This is the forward V berth. So at the moment, this is set up in the dinette position. So you can easily sit 6 people around here to eat, get out of the weather. This is obviously an air-conditioned cabin, as well as the cockpit is also air-conditioned. This also has a lower pole here, so you can switch this out for the low pole. There's a filler cushion as well, so this area fills in and becomes one of your sleeping areas. So sleeping for 2 here. Just around this corner, I'll show you the electronics. So this is where all your shore power, 12 volt, all your switches are all nicely contained in one area. You also have a second VHF up top here. So if you're in the cabin and someone called on the VHF, you don't have to go up top. You can do it from down here. TV as well. Let's have a look at the head. So the 320 comes with a wet head, as you can see here, vacuum flush toilet. This has a shower, a nice glass bowl sink as well, plenty of storage underneath, and behind that mirror there is also storage. It's air conditioned. It has opening port lights as well. So when it's in the cooler months, you can open those little windows up to give you some nice breeze. Swinging over here on the port side, you can see you have a refrigerator, a microwave, plenty of storage underneath. And let's take a look at the mid berth. As you can see, this is set up into a double bed position, but this is huge. You could lay in any direction you want. Very comfortable, obviously air conditioned in this area as well. This also quickly converts into 2 twin beds, which I'll show you right now. So now this is set up into 2 single beds, very comfortable. Kids love this area as well. You have a ton of storage on either side and a nice table in between the beds with storage underneath. As I mentioned, my name is Danny Brown from MarineMax in Palm Beach Gardens. This boat is at our facility now, and be happy to set up an appointment to take a look. My telephone number is 561-800-4339. Look forward to seeing you.